Hello guys, yes, the sun is in my eyes. We're at the Wildfire because we both have free play. We're not twinsing today because this is our lunch hour and it's not my lunch hour, so we'll be twinsing later with this exact outfit though. That's right. I got $5 free play here at the Wildfire, and you have probably more, right?
No, here only $5.
Oh, that's weird.
It's at the Sunset and Green Valley they get
More.
15.
And M.
Yeah.
Silverton's been kind of cheeseballing me this month. Hey.
It's like every week I get.
Oh, yeah, I don't know about me.
3 weeks, sorry.
I'm going to play 4 card. I'm going to play 4 and 5 spot reduction. The same. I'll show you what I'm going to do, but that's what I'm feeling today. I'm going to play a little safer today. Hopefully I'll win. Hopefully. Let's hope. Yes. All right, let's do this, guys. All right, we're going to start with Cleopatra 4 card first. I'm going to play this 5 spot, 4 spot off said 5 spot, this 5 spot, and then 4 spot off that. So, there we go. I'm going to activate my $5 every time. Yesterday I played at the M, and not one time did Cleopatra give me a bonus. I got, that's nice, 4 out of 5 there. Switch it up. Okay, it's over. Let's one more hit and then do Caveman. Okay, well, when there's not a win. Okay, I'm just doing regular Caveman Keno. Okay, here we go. Now we're on to 4 card. Same setup. Okay, here we go. So I'm kind of curious at what the payout on a, oh, it's 750, okay. And then 77 on a 4 spot, okay. Go back to Cleopatra, but I'm gonna play my real safe numbers. My 3 spot reduction on the 4 spot. Oh, oops, let me get back to one screen. There. At least with this one you get 2 cards that win. Same setup. This is Caveman Keno Plus. That one instead. that up with regular. Oh, that's not as loud. Nice, okay. Here we go. Trying to see what the game info on that one is. 43, okay. Go back to big cards. So I got a 8, 6, 5, and 4. Oh. Hang on a second. There we go. Something different. I'm going to do my 9 spot. Then my 5 spot. The other 5 spot. And then I'm not really sure what I want to do here. Maybe the 8 spot. There we go. card. Try 10 cents. And I'm just gonna play that 9 spot. I'm gonna actually speed up. Let's get the speed going faster. So I need at least 4 to win something. Let's try this 8 spot. Still need 4 to win something. The 10 spot. Oh, I need 5 now. Okay, let's try it. Oh, darn. Oh, man. So close. Bread and butter. That's right, 7 spot, so all I need is 3. 10, 6, and 4 spot. I'm going to speed it up. No, I'm just going to play this out. I sped it up so it wouldn't take forever. Oh, okay, I got a 4 spot. Nice. Alright, you know, I'm just going to play it down to 13 bucks. End it with a single card, Keno. Last 2 hits. Okay, I'm okay with that. Alright guys, well, you know, I'm only down $7. So, gosh, it's bright out here.
Yeah.
Oh, you too? Okay, so that's not bad. I mean,
Someone's lucky for me.
well,
M,
maybe, hopefully, yeah, because the M took my money last time. It was rude. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I need to get my sunglasses on. Talk to you guys later. Bye.